Honda 2-horse outboard. Brand new in the box. Let's open this puppy up. Cut the motor. Warranty and stuff. By the way, that's my old Boston Whaler that I'm about to start sanding on. You see it's all spider cracked and needs a little bit of fiberglass work there on the chines, I guess you call them. Anyway, I'm getting off task here. Here's the motor. Ta-da! There she is. Alrighty, I'm going to take this in the shop and put a little oil in there. So this should pop right off and kind of lay over. He gave me the Honda oil to put in there. Bob's House of Honda in Jackson, Tennessee. It's exciting. It's probably about 4:30 right now. I'm on this little creek here on the Tennessee River. Got the NuCanoe loaded down. Got the 2-horse on. I'm gonna put in this little creek here and go to the Tennessee River so I can get to another little creek. I'm gonna try to get up there before the sun goes down. Now I'm out here on the Tennessee River, and as soon as I get out of here, there is a nice big storm cloud brewing up behind me. Maybe it'll hold off. But I'm heading to a creek down that way. Let's see if I can't find a spot to camp. And a short trip upriver, and I turned onto the creek that I'm going to try to camp on here. Wow, it's already starting to rain. Every time I think I'm getting away from this rain cloud, I look up and it's back on top of me again. So, well, maybe it'll move on by here in a minute. Luckily the rain stopped. I'm a little further back up this beautiful little creek here. Big cloud of dirt in the water. Oh, this looks so fishy. Turn the motor off for a minute there so you can see how nice and peaceful this is here. I think I just saw a bald eagle, but he flew around the corner real fast like. I don't think I see a nest anywhere. Looks like a great little fishing spot. Oh yeah, it's only 2 feet deep right here. But I think right out here's a little channel. Right out here to the left of me. Oh my goodness, what a fish. Look at this carp. Good grief. Did you see that carp? Good grief. Man, it was a monster sitting there. Man. Oh, look at how this current is breaking right here where this other little creek's coming in. I guarantee you there's some smallmouth hanging out right there. This looks like it's going to get tricky to get through. So this right here may be the best campsite. Could be home sweet home right here. Oh, there's a lovely tire in the view here. It would be so nice to be able to catch some minnows out here, but I sure don't see any. I think I have to go further upstream. Oh, there's a house right around the corner. I don't really have a choice because of the log jam up there. Alright, let's get done packing. Daylight, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a fire started over here. I think I want my fire here. Man, I already got a catfish. Hey, that's just about eating size right there. That'll work. Look at how pretty that fish is. It's just beautiful. Spotted up nicely. He'll make a nice fillet. Cast, and I've already caught dinner, and the sun is setting back behind me. It's just beautiful. It's almost dark, and caught another small catfish and lost another big catfish, probably a little bigger than the first one. But I've got a couple of fillets to eat, so I don't really have to catch more. Just sitting by the fire enjoying this piece.
about 8 o'clock. I'm already packed up.